Hey guys, Article here with a new video, and guys, my egg has hatched and I don't know what it is, but I forgot the name of it already. But I got it and it's pretty adorable and it sticks its tongue out. I don't know why. But guys, look away right now. Right now. And I'll say whenever you can look. Are you guys looking? You guys are probably looking. You guys just probably looked. Bread lobsters! Bread lobsters! Bread lobsters with candy cane socks. I'm gonna go to Gelly Jones' den real quick. Gelly Jones. Gelly Jones. Do. No! I'm going there. If it's the last thing I do, and if there are bread lobsters there, I'm gonna be happy. Red lobsters. Come on. Let me in. I want to go there. Wait, it's glitched. It's a glitch. I want to go to there then. Please. Please. Nope. That's not happening. About a party. Was the party good? Yeah, party's good. Bread lobsters. Bread lobsters. Going under. I was like, oh, a party where? Where? But hello, people. But that's just a fake. Impersonator? It's an impersonator. Now we're gonna go to woo woo. Woo woo. Woo woo. Please don't copyright this, please, guys. Buddy. No! Guys, it's glitched. What a nice sheep like woo woo. Why? No! I'm going there if it's the last thing I do! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Do-do-do. Let me go. No. Let me in. Fine, we'll do Wisteria. Moon. Moon. Guys, please don't copyright this. Just all a joke. I just want traded. Please, don't copyright this. No, there's a piece of wood stuck in my area. It's out. Whoa, there's a lot of people in here. Holy guacamole. Bread lobsters! Bread lobsters. Bread lobsters! I can't go to Pepper's Inn because it's locked. Oh Lord. Okay. We're gonna try Gellies again. I'm going to famous scammers then, but no! Trade, lose trade. Me! Gelly Gones. Gelly Gones. Guys, it's Gelly Gones now. Visit done. Why? Fine, we'll try Julian too. King Bean. Ryan 2. Julian 2. Julian 2. Spinny boys. No spinny boys. No. Spinny boys! No spinny boys. What the flip? Why are the... Wow. No spinny... Oh, it's a spinny Arctic wolf. Wait, like spinny boys. Look guys. Rotating kids. Whirly dudes. Turny lads. Twirling girls. Twisty bros. Swiveling people. Red lobsters. Red lobsters! Five feet apart. Well, guys, okay. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of short but weird video as me being a red lobster. I'm keeping this look forever. This is an awesome look. Well, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And meanwhile, stay safe and jam on. Bye!